When you think of a stand mixer, you probably imagine a KitchenAid, and when I talked with home bakers, professional chefs, cookbook authors, and strategist contributors about their favorite stand mixer, KitchenAid was the brand we heard about the most. However, it's not the only option on the block, and at about $400 a pop, its mixers are dreadfully expensive. They're the favorite for a reason, though, so if you're ready to invest in one, we've broken down the pros and cons of the most popular models to help you choose. We've also included several other options that our experts love to whisk, whip, and beat with, including a mixer for that's a quarter of the price, and an expert-vetted commercial one. There are many products available to choose cheap mixers kitchen, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap mixers kitchen from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. KitchenAid Artisan Tilt Head Stand Mixer with Pouring Shield, 5 quart. They're not cheap, but the love for KitchenAids is well earned. When it comes to power and longevity, no other mixer can compare. Just one example of its supreme power. Author Samantha Sineverton told us that her mixer kneads through 2 batches of yeasted dough at a time without so much as a rattle. This model in particular, the 5-quart Artisan, is KitchenAid's most popular, and all but one of the experts who we spoke to own one, and used it regularly themselves. It has a tilt head, which is easy to pull up and down when you want to add ingredients to the mix, and it's big enough to knead 9 dozen cookies worth of dough at once, a respectable size for even the most prolific home bakers. With 10 speeds and a range of optional attachments, it could lend itself to a countless list of kitchen tasks, from grinding meat to spiralizing veggies. And as I mentioned before, it's an appliance that's built to last. Matt Holloway and Michelle Davis, the duo behind the Bad Manners podcast and cookbooks, have been kneading dough in theirs for over 17 years, and it's still going strong. This is a product you buy for life, they told us. Number 2. Cuisinart Precision Master 5.5 QT Stand Mixer. I have a KitchenAid Professional at home, and guess what? I never use it because it's huge, says Lily Dagan, culinary director at Blue Apron. I find that the cheaper and aesthetically similar Cuisinart gets the job done. At 5.5 quarts, the Cuisinart Precision Master actually has a slightly larger capacity than the standard KitchenAid. It also has 12 speed settings to the KitchenAid's 10. While its lower price tag includes the same 3 attachments as the KitchenAid's, Cuisinart's range of optional add-ons is much smaller, but does include a pasta roller and an ice cream maker. The Cuisinart is available in 17 shades, from pastel blue to hot pink, so you can select one that matches the style of your kitchen. Its 500-watt motor is more powerful than most standard mixers' 300-watt motors, and many reviewers, like Dagan, made a point to stress that it's just as powerful as a KitchenAid model. The mixer also comes with a 3-year limited warranty, meaning Cuisinart will repair or replace any faulty models. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. Even cheaper still is this stand mixer from Hamilton Beach, which we often see on sale for less than $100. Its list price is around half that of the Cuisinart. It has 7 speed settings and 3 essential attachments, a whisk, dough hook, and flat beater, and comes in 6 colors, including rose, a rather sweet dusty pink. Over 1,000 reviewers on Amazon have given it 5 stars, and home cooks have successfully used it to knead dough, mix batter, and even shred ground meat for meatballs. There are a few downsides reflected in the cheaper price, though, namely that the motor is loud when mixing, and even though it has a 300-watt motor, it's not quite powerful enough to knead through several batches of dough at a time. However, for a beginner or someone who only bakes occasionally, at less than $150 you can't really go wrong. And in case you do run into problems, the mixer comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Number 4. KitchenAid 6-quart Bowl Lift Professional Stand Mixer. Unlike its Artisan series, which is a tilt head, the KitchenAid Pro series mixers use a bowl lift mechanism. Bowl lift machines use a lever to lower the bowl down for adding ingredients, and hoist back up for mixing, where it securely locks into place for wobble-free mixing. This, along with the more stable, broader base, makes the machine suitable for larger batches and more heavy-duty jobs. And it also means that bowl lift mixers tend to be more expensive than tilt head models. The Pro has all the same bells and whistles as other KitchenAid's useful attachments, a great range of speeds and colors, but its bigger capacity and sturdier build make it a better choice for those cooking larger batches at once. If you spend a lot of time in the kitchen or know you cook for a crowd, the 6-quart bowl lift models are the way to go, advise Holloway and Davis. Number 5. Wolf Gourmet High Performance Stand Mixer 7QT. The Wolf Gourmet stand mixer is big and powerful as an industrial stand mixer should be. It has a 7-quart capacity bowl and a 500-watt motor, so it can whip, knead, and beat its way through your ingredients. Like the larger KitchenAid, the Wolf mixer also has a bowl lift to prevent any wobbling, and it includes the same essential 3 attachments as every other mixer on this list. It was recommended to us by Dagan, but concedes that it does have a hefty price tag. Her advice: maybe throw it on your wedding registry for that one rich cousin to buy. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.